Hello guys, I am Shivam Niganti and I am making this video especially for my IGTV and I will upload this video on my YouTube also. Okay, coming to the actual point, today in this video I am going to share the procedure that I follow to create carousels for my Instagram. Watch full video to know some excellent tricks about Canva. Okay, let's get started.
First of all, open your browser and log into your Canva account. See, this is my Canva account, and today I'm going to show the procedure to create a carousel like this one. See, this is the page 1 and page 2, and this is the page 3 and page 4, page 5, page 6, 7, 8. It has 8 slides, and I will explain the basic principle, basic procedure for creating this type of carousel. I'm not going to create all 8 slides in front of you now, but I will create the needed ones. Now I'm going to open home in a new tab. See, now search for Instagram post. Then click on blank. It will open a blank page where you can create the design you want. Now click on the blank page and go to the colors and choose the background color which you want to use. Here I want to use this color. See, the background is ready. Now see here, it has a white color area and 2 rocket symbols and a text here. So to do that, go to that page and press R. It will open a rectangle box for you. Then adjust it to the required length and width. Then click on the colors here, change it to white. That's all done. It has been changed. Next, we want this racket symbols, so go to the element section here and search for rockets. This is the one that I used. Drag and drop it here, adjust its size. Look, you can see a pink line which guides you to place this rocket symbol here. Now then select this white color rectangle and click on this lock symbol, so it will be fixed and you cannot move this. Sometimes it happens, it will be moved accidentally and it may cause damage to our design. So lock it first of all, then again click on this rocket and here click on duplicate. You can see a guideline. It will show 3 lines, and after getting to actual position, click on here flip symbol and click on flip horizontal. After flipping horizontally, you can arrange it again to the actual position, and now you have to enter this text. To do that, I'm copying this text and now click on text, add a subheading, then bring it to here and replace it with the actual text you want, and select all and click on uppercase and choose the required font you want. I am choosing leak spot on here, and I am choosing the color purple. So see here, it will show a pink guideline to guide us, and reduce the size if you want to reduce, or leave it as it is. And now again adjust these rocket symbols. Now coming to the biggest part, here we need an image, and I used an image from Google. See here, this is the image that I used. You can add this simply by copy image, and here coming to Canva you can paste it here, but it will has this background. So I will share a trick that I follow here. First of all, delete this one and go to your browser and search for remove.bg. It will open this site. Now again go to Google, and here right click on that image you want to use and click on copy image address. Then again come back to remove.bg, and here click on paste image URL and paste it over here, and then click on OK. It will give you the PNG format, and here you don't need to download, just here right click on the image and again click on copy image, go to Canva and click here and press Ctrl V. It will paste the image over here and adjust it to the length you want. And lock it, because while adding text you may accidentally select this one and it will relocate this image from this place. Okay, now add another heading, and I'm going to copy this one and pasting it over here. Here again locking this text element. Now again press R, you will get another rectangle. Resize it to the small size and change its color to white. Then again go to text, click on add a subheading and enter part 1 here. And changing the color to purple. Now move it to here. Adjust it carefully. Check how it looks. It requires some bold. Now it looks fine. Then select both by dragging over them and then click on group so that you can move them wherever you want. Okay, after this click on here, copy page, then remove all unnecessary. If you want to remove a locked object, first you have to unlock it and then delete. In the same way, delete these two. And now we have to add a image like this one, which has an off portion in one page and another off in another page. So to add that, first of all delete these elements and as introduction here. Now increase its font size to some extent, then unlock it and reduce its size and again lock it. Now copy the text you want to include. Now paste it over here with a subheading font. Select entire text and align them into left. And now for the images you want, I will suggest to use a site called FreePic. I usually use this one. Here search for happy person. See, you will get a lot of photos, and for a change I want to use this picture instead of this picture, so I'm going to open it and click on copy image address. Again go to remove.bg and paste the URL you want. Then here copy image and again come back to Canva and press Ctrl V. Adjust its length and width like you want. Now increase the size and font size and style you want use. Now 48, 42. Now again copy this page and look how the third page is like. Copy this material, this text also, and paste it over here in the third page and align it to right side, as we are going to move this image to totally left. Now to move this image left, click on the image and here reduce it fully and then press shift plus left arrow. It will move you, and paste it accordingly again and then press lock. Now bring the text to the place you want. Now you can look this preview by clicking on present. See here, you will have a good looking carousel. In this way you can create lot of carousel and you can download them in the required format. Here I didn't use any pro feature of Canva and pro element, so try it and make wonderful carousels for yourself. Thanks for watching.